Hello again. Today's video we're going to focus our attention on the question of how do you carve a bowl on a wooden spoon. Okay, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that we do, we mark a center line. Only a rough sort of guess, but we mark that center line. We then mark an outside line, an outer line that we're roughly intending to work to. So that there will be the front of our bowl. And then this one here, we're going to mark, this will be the back of the bowl. Now in terms of equipment, there are various ways of cutting out a bowl, and we use various methods ourselves, but for the purposes of this video we're going to be sticking with the more traditional hand tools. We're going to be using a curved gouge. So you can see we've marked out, it's almost like an egg shape with a line across it, and we're going to work into that middle. So we're working with a curved gouge. You can see that one there, that's one of our earliest gouges, one of Dad's first ever ones, and we're going to work into that center line. And we're just cutting into the wood. And the things to remember, you work to that center line and you're working your way back towards that outside line. So as you go, gradually going a little bit deeper into the wood and working our way back towards that outside line. If you carve too deep, you're going to go straight through the wood. So you've got to try and judge the depth. So that's something that is worth looking at. And just see there we're getting a bit of resistance because there's a little knot in the wood, but nothing too serious, nothing to worry about. So I think we're looking pretty good on this side of the bowl, just like so. And we're going to turn it around in the vise, working into that center line again, just like so, and working back out to our guideline that is actually giving us the shape of our bowls. That's a very quick demonstration of how to hand carve a wooden bowl. Some things we didn't mention. As always, secure whatever you're working with in a vise. Remember to cut away from yourself, and of course enjoy carving your spoon. Thank you again for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on that bell button as well, because that one will mean any new videos that we upload you will see. And as we mentioned before, we're planning on putting up a lot more content showing you how to hand carve different love spoons and different wooden items. Thank you all again.